Here's some stats from the instruction manual. It has 16-inch wheels. The bike weighs 21.2 kg, has a top speed of 15.5 miles an hour when you're pedaling. It has a range of 36 miles in pedal assist mode, 18 miles in throttle mode. There's a 250 watt brushless motor, and it takes 4 to 5 hours to fully charge. As soon as you start pedaling, the electric motor kicks in, and then there's no effort in pedaling at all. It's a nice, smooth, stable ride. There's no suspension on this cycle, but the seats, which have springs in them, are really comfortable. I've been riding the bike for about 2 weeks now, and I have to admit that I've fallen in love with this bike. I'm just going to give you a quick look around. So first of all, it's a neat little stand there. This is the on-off button, and this also shows you the battery level. The battery is completely hidden within the frame here. Incredibly, the bike has an alarm. Has built-in front and rear lights, switch for lights, and built-in rear lights. Rear lights and also brake lights. Has an electronic horn, front and rear disc brakes. Has chunky fat tires on the front and rear, mud guards front and rear. The front wiring from the handlebars are really neatly hidden away in this plastic cover. The e-bike has 3 modes. First is full electric mode. Pedal assist mode will turn all the power off and use as an ordinary bike. The frame is really well built and solid, and I have to say it's a lovely piece of engineering. It's beautiful. The bike can also handle upward inclines effortlessly. The disc brakes are very responsive when braking. Folding the bike is a really simple operation. So folding the bike is a really simple and quick maneuver. You undo the black latch and then open that, and that opens up now. Hold in the pedals and the other pedal. You loosen this, lower the handlebar, tighten that back up again, take this away, open the latch there, and that just goes down. Just have to move the pedal to allow the handlebar to sit neatly. It folds down even more compactly by lowering the seat. Got the Velcro here. So the Velcro belt, once it's fixed together, the cycle won't come apart.
downgrading, mate.
Wait, it's a bike, help us.
Sorry, thanks.
Go.